Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for August. It's this cute yellow and orange bag this month. Inside we have our card, selfie with no filter. And the first product that I'm pulling out is a Glow 2 highlighter. I actually don't use highlighter or bronzer or any of that stuff, so probably will pass this along to a friend. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty big size. Very pretty. The color is Moon Dust. Also got a brush this month. Crown Blush Highlighter Brush. That's kind of nice that the highlighter brush came with the highlighter. But again, won't be using that. Next we have Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. That sounds really interesting. Lightweight oil-free gel cream refreshes and moisturizes. Let's see if it really smells like watermelon. Love the smell of watermelon. So it is clear. It's really nice though. It is really light. I like that. And it does have a melon scent to it, so that's really cool. Next up, MAC False Lashes Extreme Black. I have been getting so many of these. I feel like I've gotten one already from Ipsy and Birchbox and somewhere else. It's just super small. Little sample. I've used it once and I think I thought it was dry and I didn't really care for it. But typically I like MAC stuff, so I'll use it again to see if my opinion changed. And the last item is Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama. Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. That's so pretty. Ooh, I like that color. Oh, that's nice and thick. I'm gonna like that. So surprisingly, these are my two favorites in the bag this month. And it's hit or miss like every beauty box, every subscription box. Last month, I think it was really awesome. Loved everything in it. So that is what I got. If you guys want to sign up, I'll leave a link below. If you want to see what I got with my Birchbox, I should be getting that any day now, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.